Oh, bam! Hey guys, welcome to another episode of JCC, Johnny's Communication Center. We are here today with the mission to buy a lamp. I mean, we're here, I don't know if you guys will notice in this blue background, we're here at IKEA, the black, blue and yellow signature. Or IKEA, my bad. Yeah, I looked it up, it was actually IKEA to be exact. Yeah, I've been pronouncing it wrong my whole life. But anyways, we are here at IKEA. I'm here with Jeon. He's in the back. As you see, he's in the back. I wanted to buy a lamp for my room and also buy anything that I might need. Yeah, let's try not to buy anything let's try not to buy anything like too out of the ordinary. IKEA. It's okay. Let's go. Where are we going? Where I'm lost already. Is it just me or do people always get lost in IKEAs? There was another coffee store, but because today we are going to IKEA, we're gonna go to IKEA Cafe. Ice Americano, please. 역시 이게 바로 가성비. 가성비.
아이스 아메리카노 2개 주세요.
Jeon, I was actually thinking about making a name. For my viewers. Oh, okay. I was thinking about Japan. Japan. Okay. 갔다 와.
Someone ordered some coffee?
Oh, here.
Oh, yes.
What size is this?
Medium, huh?
Good for the environment. Okay, let's go.
Mm-hmm.
Jeon, you know you gotta wash your hands before you do anything, okay? Are you washing your hands good?
Yes, John.
Okay, let me check.
Yes, Johnny.
Let me check. Are you?
Yes, John. Wash your hands.
Are you okay? Okay.
Johnny. Over here. Johnny, where are you? Johnny? Johnny?
Pandas in the back. Pandas. And some nice sofas with pandas. And a nice sofa with the panda. This guy is soft. You know what always comes after shopping? Eating. That's why we are at the food court right now. We're gonna buy something good to eat. IKEA food court, food mukbang, food broadcasting. Okay, we got some pork ribs, apple pie, blueberry pie, classic ham and cheese sandwich, meatballs, and chicken, and fish and chips. Bam, check it out. Gotta get some mashed potatoes. We just finished eating a 10-person meal. I just finished eating a 9.5-person meal. Very full. You know what comes after eating? More shopping. Let's get it. I'm also trying to look for something that I can build together with you guys, if you know what I mean. You don't want to make it too easy, and you gotta look for something that you kind of need as well, so. Guys, I found it. Found the lamp that I wanted. This buddy over here, The color is very nice, very slender. Let me see if I can turn it on. Found it.
내가 아침에 해놓고 간 꼬리곰 다 있네. 아직 남아있네. 하나 먹자.
뭐라고? 편집 좀 해달라고? 오케이, 잠깐만. 괜찮아? 마음에 들어? 그럼 내가 이거 세이브해가지고 이메일로 보낼게. 가자 이제.
제가 찾고 찾던 몇 달간 기다렸던 전구 드디어
여기까지 찍었어. 찾았다고.
구했습니다.
So we had a little more time, and I decided I wanted a pillow. A nice, long pillow. Nope. 요르드레크? 찾고 있어.
아, 형도 요르드레크야?
요르드레크! 요르드레크! Fred? Fred, what are you doing here, Fred? Fred. Okay. Whatever you want. Oh! Jason! Jason! Help! Jason, no, it's my friend Jason. Jason, this is my friend. 나중에 내 애랑 여기에서 놀 거야. I think I had this wrong when I was little. I used to get like play with small toy cars and go around.
좀 치우고.
오늘 뭘로 할까? 어떤 게 제일 나아?
자기야.
어떤 걸로 할까?
자기야, 나는 저 세 번째 게 마음에 들어.
이거?
아니,
이거?
잔이랑 잘 어울릴 것
좀 과할 것 같지 않아? 괜찮아?
잘 어울릴 것 같아.
좀 과할 것 같은데. 그래. 우리 재현이가 마음에 들면 오늘 이걸 할게.
원숭이도 나쁘지 않아. 형, 골라줘.
개인적으로 난 원숭이. 근데 같이 잘 거는 강아지. Oh, what are you doing? When did you get here? Oh, you already. Wait, let me just finish. Gotta put in the finishing touches. I'm almost done. Okay, guys. Well, I was gonna buy the lamp, but I noticed the light was a little too bright and it wouldn't fit in our room that well. So instead, I'm here to buy furniture. A lot of furniture. Found a good shelf that we want to try buying. The Trofast 99 by 21 by 30. That's what it's gonna look like. So let's build it. Johnny makes it. Get it. So we're gonna get the white one. Is it heavy? Just a little bit. We've got everything. Let's go buy it. Exciting. That's what I love about IKEA. You build it yourself. How wonderful is that? I'm gonna be borrowing money from Jian today. Thanks, Jian. I left my card in the car. You know, 계좌 이체 right away.
완전.
계좌 이체 right away. Don't worry.
Johnny?
Nope. I think you pretty much covered everything.
Okay.
Yeah. You bought what you had to buy. The lights and some extras.
That's right.
For your room.
Oh, right. I finally bought this light.
Light bulb. He's been looking for this light bulb for about 4 or 5 months actually.
About, yes, 2-3 months.
2-3 months.
I'm so excited.
And there's finally gonna be some light in his room. And this is what I bought, guys. I bought a pillow cover with sheets that came along with it. I didn't really need that one, but whatever. And the shelf with the baskets. Anyways, well, we're gonna buy this and I'm gonna make this shelf, so please look forward. I'll see you guys later. Jafam, peace.
Okay. Start. 신나.
너무 멋있는데? Hey guys, welcome back to JCC, John's Communication Center. We are here to build the shelf we bought last time. Okay, let's just get started. What I like to do is take everything out. Okay, so we're basically done with the first step. What I like to do after the first step is to kind of take a look of what I'm gonna do. So let's just scroll all these in first. Gotta get it tight, so you don't want to do it over again. Okay, got step 2. Oh, that was step 2. Step 3. Step 3, we're gonna need 2 of these, I believe. I believe this goes here. Super tight. Okay, step 4. So this is actually gonna go right here. And okay. And here's to it, everybody. Now we gotta get the big screw.
Yeah.
Doyoung is here to help me.
Yeah.
You gonna help me, Doyoung?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Okay. Now we have this side. Yeah, so if I can do it, you guys can do it too. Yeah, it took me a while. There were a little bit of mistakes and kind of forgot to talk on the middle. But anyways, you guys should build something too. I had a great time. What do you guys think? I'll clean it off, use it for myself. See you guys next time on JCC.